What do you want people to know about Rabbi Ben-Zion Gold?
Oh, that there is a lot of richness to him as a person. Um, he had a rich, a culturally and religiously rich, and intellectually rich childhood. He suffered so much. He almost died. He lost everything, tangible. But that he survived, and he also changed a lot. I mean, maybe not his essence, but he became a truly modern, in a good sense, to my good, sort of very flexible, continually learning person who made use of that, his cultural and linguistic background to keep learning. He is a very loving father, devoted father, and a very musical person. I mean, just a real artist, I'd say. um, and he's a complicated person, but can be really delightful. We're all complicated. And so he's written wonderful, some of his sermons have been published. He's a very sharp, insightful, lucid thinker and writer. And he has a strong life force.